there is a lot of heavy gold in the photo, kind of brownish, darker shade of yellow golden colors. We have to create now a darker background on top of which we are going to paint brighter yellow leaves. Let's see how it goes. I didn't change my water yet. It is still purplish because we are going to do brownish kind of yellow. So for brownish kind of yellow, a cold tint would not be too bad. So we are mixing heavier shade of yellow. Well, it's actually ochre. It's not golden yellow, it's ochre mixed with I would say clay color. It's a dark ochre. And I will add a touch of brownish. In combination with the purple water, it should create rather dark background. And the background is here, under the foliage. It's more the ground itself. It's somewhere here, along the pathway, and the pathway itself is also kind of brownish. But now everything I'm doing is the same color, which is absolutely incorrect. All the colors are mixed in the painting. So I have to start adding, and I probably will add a little bit brighter yellow here on the bottom because the grass is kind of happy yellow, and I will add darker ochre along the pathway, and I think I'm going to add darker brownish here on the foreground under the foliage, so it creates a stronger contrast. But our contrast will be rather warm. What if I add a little bit colder something to create it? Let's try to mix it in. Oh no, I mixed it in the same place. Let's try to make a colder mix with blue in it, so it creates a stronger contrast. And on the bottom we can add brighter yellow. And again, let it rest, let it dry. As you can see in our painting, there are very few definite lines. And the same with our splashes of color. There are very few definite lines here and there.